Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials so you don't chase ghosts. First, check that your Wi-Fi adapter actually supports 5 GHz. Look for 802. 11 AC or AX, then open Device Manager to confirm drivers are present. Once done, verify the router is set to broadcast a 5 GHz SSID and note its name and channel range, 36165. Finally, disable airplane mode and toggle the laptop's wireless adapter off then on to force a fresh scan. This clears. Now you handle the deeper settings that hide the 5 GHz network. Update or reinstall the adapter driver. Prefer the laptop makers or chipset vendors package rather than the generic Microsoft driver because it enables band selection. Once updated, open Adapter Advanced Settings and set preferred band to 5 GHz, and if there's a fallback to 4 GHz, disable it. Also change the router's 5 GHz channel width and try alternate channels. Sometimes interference prevents the laptop from seeing certain channels. Finish by isolating whether the problem is laptop or router. You should test the router's 5 GHz with another device. If it's visible there, focus on the laptop. Run ipconfig/release/renew and /flushtons, or use the system's network reset to clear corrupted settings. Booting into safe mode with networking helps rule out third-party interference. If nothing works, try a USB 5 GHz dongle or, as a last resort, factory reset the router, but backup settings first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.